Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw the very strange looking Burst SMG in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the top of the gun first, and this one's got some kind of tricky shapes, but we're just going to start out kind of like a long rectangular shape first. So this is going to be the very top of the gun, and then come down just a little bit, and then same thing on the other side. And for this one we're not going to close all the way, but we're going to go about like 1/3. So if you divide up this space 1/3 along the way, now just stop there first, and then once I have that, I'm going to come over here, kind of double this distance right here, just double it, come down. And then once we have this, we're going to come in 1/3 of the way, so it's kind of like dividing this whole space up into 3, so 1, 2, and 3. So we just come in. Alright, so then from here we're going to draw in these strange angles right here. So I'm going to turn here, and then come down with a slant. And then here I'm going to round it off as well, and then I'm going to draw the same slant coming down all the way down to the bottom here. And then when you connect these, it should be a horizontal line. Alright, so this is definitely the hardest part, and once we have this, everything else gets a little bit easier. So now let's go ahead and draw in the grip and the trigger. So I'm going to come right here. I'm just going to come out, and then I'm going to come down with this same slant here. Just stop a little bit short, don't go all the way down there. Alright, and then from here, now I can draw in the grip. Let's just start back up on the top then. Come around right here, just draw a little curve. And then we're going to flare this one out. Just a slight curve, just come down. And then when you close this, it should be slanting downwards like this. Okay, so that's the grip, and then to finish up the trigger area, I'm just going to draw 2 lines right here. And then here's the trigger inside here, so this one's easy. So just curve, and then curve again, and close it off nice and sharp. Alright, so let's finish out the some of the major parts of the gun first, and then we'll go back in and finish up the details. So let's draw the back here, just right about the middle here. I'm just going to draw like 2 lines coming out and just close it off first. And then on the bottom line, I'm going to extend it all the way to the back. And then on this one here, I'm going to slant it up, go all the way back as well, and then just close it off. Alright, and then one more down here, continue the line. And then here it's got some those angles again, so I'm going to slant down, come across. Right here, you can come across, and then whatever space you have here, just close it off. Alright, so now let's finish up the clip down here. So this one's pretty easy. It's just the same slant as this. So just come in a little bit and just draw another slant. Come over here, same thing. And then when you close this, it should go point kind of slanting downwards a little bit. And then let's give a little bit of detail. I'm going to extend this one. Come out, again same angle, and then close it off. Alright, and then let's go ahead and finish up the barrel. So for the barrel, right around here, just halfway point, come out, and then come down a little bit and draw kind of like almost like a square. And then from here, I'm going to extend the line just slightly, and then now I'm going to flare out. Should be a little bit wider in the tip. Close it off. And let's just add 1 line in here first. Alright, so that's basically the shape of the gun, and let's go ahead and add in all those little details on the side and also in the middle of the gun. So let's just start on the back here. in here, let's draw 2 lines, and then I'm going to make them into rectangles. And then right here in the bottom, let's draw another rectangle, but a little bit wider on this side, so it's a little bit strange. Alright, and then on the top here, just a little angle up on the top. And then coming in here, let's see, right over this, the trigger part, I'm just going to draw 1 line. Turn that into a rectangle. Add 1 line here and then 1 more here. And then there's a little switch right here. So I'm going to draw a little circle. Go around it. On the bottom, extend out. And then on the top here, disconnect it. Alright, and on the grip here, we can draw 1 line like this first, and then come up here, draw another line. These are just some line details. Same slant. And then in here, I'm just going to add in, should be able to add in 3 lines. Alright, and then here, there's some more details. So continuing with this line, leave a little bit of space. Just come across. And then angle it up. And then keep going out. And then on this side here, just follow the slant. Just go all the way down. And let's come back up here. Right here, there should be a little circle. Smaller one inside. And then right here, there's gonna be a little bit more detail coming down. Just extend it, come across, and let's go back up. Okay, and then circle here. And then from here, just go up, just come across. And then on the tip here, top and bottom, just add a little rectangle. Alright, and some more details in here. Just 2 slants. Just draw 2 lines like this first, and then round it off, top and bottom. Alright, so now let's go ahead and draw in the sight. So this one's pretty easy. Right on top here, just 1 rectangle. And then on the end here, just kind of come up. So come across here, draw the same rectangle. And then same detail up top here. And then inside here, I'm just going to add in a little circle. Alright, and then for the railing here, just kind of draw like a bunch of little small rectangles. So the easier way sometimes to draw this is just draw 1 on each side first, and then draw 1 more in the middle. And then whatever space you have in here, just draw another rectangle. Alright, and then on the tip here, you should be able to draw 2 more. And that is it for this Burst SMG. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.